Meaning of dare.
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 Dare. The word dare is often used to express courage or willingness to take risks. It can also refer to a challenge or provocation to do something difficult or dangerous. In some cases, dare can be used as a verb to describe the act of challenging someone or taking a risk. When someone dares another person to do something, it is usually intended as a form of encouragement or motivation. However, taking a dare can also have negative consequences if the action is reckless or dangerous. Ultimately, the meaning of dare depends on the context in which it is used.